YouTube video creation tools offer a wide range of benefits for individuals, businesses and organizations of all sizes. Some of the most notable benefits of video creation software include the ability to quickly and easily create professional quality videos, the ability to reach a wider audience through social media and online video platforms, and the ability to create videos that are more engaging and memorable than text or static images. There are many benefits of video creation for individuals and businesses. By creating engaging, informative videos, you can build trust with your audience and help them understand your product or service. Videos can also be great for search engine optimization, as they can help you rank higher in search results. Additionally, videos can be shared on social media networks, where they can reach a large number of potential customers. There are a few difficulties that come with creating a video. One of the most difficult things with video creation is often finding good footage to use in your video. If you don't have any footage of your own, you'll need to find stock footage or videos that you can use legally. And these can be expensive. Another difficulty is arranging the footage and audio properly so that it tells a cohesive story. This can be especially challenging if you're not familiar with video editing software. Finally, you also need to make sure that your video is properly optimized for online viewing, and that it will look good on all types of devices. This is why people often turn to video production agencies, only to find out how expensive it is, which often turns them off from making their own videos. The good news is that there are a number of free video creation software and editing options available. If you're looking for basic video editing capabilities, Windows Movie Maker or iMovie are good basic options. They're both free to download and easy to use. If you need more advanced features, such as green screen removal or motion tracking, Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro are better choices. They both cost money to purchase, but they offer a lot of features and flexibility. The ultimate is to get rid of all the hassle by choosing one of the state-of-the-art YouTube video creation tools. They are easy to use. And with the best one, you just basically click a button, and everything is done in the cloud. All you have to do is download your finished video to where you want to display it. Simple, easy and fast. As video content becomes an increasingly important part of online marketing, businesses are looking for ways to create high-quality videos quickly and easily. An AI video creation software is a great solution for businesses that want to produce videos without the hassle and expense of hiring a professional video crew. This YouTube video creation tool uses artificial intelligence algorithms to automatically create videos based on provided data. This means that businesses can create videos quickly and easily, without having to worry about complex editing or design processes. Additionally, AI video creation software can be used to create videos in multiple languages, making it a great option for businesses with international audiences. Overall, this amazing video creation software is a great way for businesses to create high-quality, professional-looking videos quickly and easily. And are very affordable. Are you looking for YouTube video creation tools but don't want to commit to a purchase without trying it out first? Or maybe you're just not sure which software is the best for your needs. In either case, a free trial can be a great way to find out. The AI video maker I recommend here offers a free trial. They don't even want your credit card details. So you can relax and test out the features and see if it's something you'd like to use. You can get familiar with the software's features and how to use them. You can experiment with different types of videos to see what works best for you. You can learn about the different tools and effects available in the software. You can test out your skills and see how well you can use the software. You can decide if the software is worth purchasing or not. The mistake of not using video in your business can be costly. Not only does video help to engage and educate customers, it is also an effective way to build brand and business awareness, as well as create white-hot leads. In fact, studies show that including video on a website can increase conversion rates by up to 80%. So why isn't every business using video? One reason may be that creating quality video content can be expensive and time-consuming. But with the right tools and tips, you can produce videos that are both effective and affordable. Here are a few tips for creating great video content. Keep it short and sweet. Most people won't watch a long video, so keep your videos short and to the point. Make sure your videos are engaging. Use creative visuals and interesting angles to keep your viewers engaged. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions. This will help your videos show up in search results. Promote your videos online. Share them on social media, in email newsletters, and on other websites. Video can be an extremely powerful marketing tool for businesses of all sizes. It can help you build awareness of your offer. Connect with prospective customers. Sell products or services. In addition, video can also be a great way to communicate with your customers and keep them updated on your business. According to a study done by Cisco, video is one of the most powerful tools for communication and marketing. It can be used to build trust with customers, explain products and services, and promote brand awareness. Video is also an effective way to drive website traffic and conversions. This is why you will want to get a free trial of the best YouTube video creation tools you can get by clicking the link below this video.